Hey guys, in today's video, why silent notification settings 2026, how to stop alerts without missing real alerts. So here guys, I'll be teaching you how to do that. So Wise lets you customize which notifications you receive and how you receive them, but you can completely disable essential service notifications, the transfer update, compliance verification message, and terms and conditions change. So here we go. So all you need to do is open up our Wise. Top right corner you will see your icon right there. As you can see, mine KV. We're gonna press on that, and then we're gonna go down to VC settings. There you go. I'm sorry guys, not settings, notification. Then press on notification. After pressing on notification right here, you see notification which you can turn on by going to settings and allowing it. They're gonna can allow the notification right there by just clicking on notification. There you go, easy as that. And second thing right here on the Wise app is you can do is put in exchange alert as well. And there you go. So you can have your manage your alert when you want it. Like for example, you want this type of currency on this day or something like that. There you go. Now you can customize it. There you go. See the update. You can put that right there. There you go. Customize it today. There you go. You can put in threshold. You can put in that. Put in the amount. For example, 1,000, something like that. Yeah. Then you can continue it will then alert you. So every time it hits that certain amount that you put in. So there you guys decided to do it. I hope you guys did well, because you enjoyed. If you have one more question, concerns, sabi daw question below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible guys. See you guys in the next one, and thank you guys.